Energy efficiency is no longer just a buzzword. It's a lifestyle choice that saves homeowners money while helping protect the planet. One of the simplest yet most impactful upgrades you can make is replacing outdated windows with modern, high-performance options. Talladega Windows stand out as a reliable first step toward creating a home that is comfortable, stylish, and energy-conscious. The hidden cost of old windows. Many homeowners underestimate how much energy escapes through aging or poorly designed windows. Drafts, thin panes, and outdated seals allow conditioned air to leak out, forcing heating and cooling systems to work overtime. This leads to higher utility bills and uneven comfort levels throughout the home. By contrast, Talladega windows are engineered to eliminate these inefficiencies, creating a tight seal and offering superior insulation. Think of old windows as open doors for energy loss. Replacing them with Talladega's advanced models is like plugging those gaps, immediately reducing waste and improving indoor comfort. Designed with energy savings in mind, what sets Talladega windows apart is their focus on cutting-edge materials and design. Features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and argon gas fills are standard in their construction. Together, these elements act as a barrier, reflecting heat in the summer and retaining warmth in the winter. The frames are just as important. Talladega uses durable, energy-smart materials that resist warping and maintain their seal over time. That means long-lasting performance and consistent energy savings year after year. Comfort that you can feel every day. Energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's about creating a home that feels better. With Talladega windows, you'll notice fewer drafts, more consistent temperatures, and even a quieter interior thanks to noise-reducing glass. Imagine walking into your living room on a hot day and not feeling the sun beating down through the glass. Or enjoying a winter evening without the chill of cold air sneaking in around the frame. Talladega makes that possible, transforming your home into a true comfort zone. Lower bills, higher value. Replacing windows is an investment, but it's one that quickly pays for itself. Talladega windows can significantly reduce monthly energy bills, making them a smart long-term decision. Beyond immediate savings, energy-efficient windows also add resale value to your property. Prospective buyers increasingly look for homes that already include eco-friendly upgrades, and new windows often top their checklist. By choosing Talladega, you're not just improving your current quality of life, you're increasing your home's market appeal and future return on investment. Eco-friendly living made simple for families looking to lower their environmental impact. Talladega windows are a practical solution. By reducing the demand on heating and cooling systems, these windows cut overall energy consumption, which translates into fewer greenhouse gas emissions. Every window installed is a step toward a greener, more sustainable lifestyle, without sacrificing comfort or style. Why start with windows? Energy efficiency is a journey, and windows are the perfect starting point. They represent one of the biggest sources of energy loss in most homes, and upgrading them provides immediate results you can feel and measure. Once Talladega windows are in place, Other improvements, like insulation upgrades or smart thermostats, work even better. In short, windows set the foundation for an energy-efficient home. Without addressing them first, other changes can only go so far. Take the first step today. Choosing Talladega Windows is more than a home improvement project. It's a commitment to a more efficient, more comfortable, and more valuable living space. Whether your goal is to save money, reduce your carbon footprint, or simply enjoy a cozier home, Talladega is the trusted partner to help you take that first step. Energy efficiency starts here. With Talladega Windows, you're opening the door to lasting comfort, savings, and sustainability.